NAPA AutoCare Atlanta is proud to partner with the Atlanta Boy Scouts of America and the Atlanta Braves to present the annual Pinewood Derby at SunTrust Park event each year. Every September, the partners come together to put on 2 days of events for the youth in our metro Atlanta communities. First, we host a Build Day at SunTrust Park, where the youth from around the city can come together and receive assistance in building their Pinewood Derby cars from NAPA AutoCare Atlanta, the BSA, and other volunteers. Then, the main event happens in the morning on a following weekend, where we host the Pinewood Derby competition at the Battery at SunTrust Park.
The Pinewood Derby is really about giving youth and their families, their parents, the opportunity to create something together, to create a memory. I can look back at the days learning how to use a miter box saw with my dad right over top of me, my hand on the saw and his hand on my wrist. I can't honestly tell you if I ever won a race, but I can remember that memory. And our goal is to build those memories for families today. So part of it's about the car and the race, but more of it's about the spirit of friendly competition and giving families something to create together.
The youth have fun and enjoy the spirit of competition as we select one winner from each grade level group and one from the design contest, which is judged by the Braves baseball players. The winners are awarded trophies, the opportunity to watch that day's Braves baseball game from the Napa Suite at SunTrust Park, and be celebrated during an on-field presentation during the game.
So in the Boy Scouts of America, we try to give youth the opportunity to excel, achieve, to experience new things, to explore opportunities that might be vocations or hobbies for the rest of their lives. And work with NAPA AutoCare gives us the opportunity to expose youth to a massive area of trade skills for jobs that they might have in the future, but certainly for services they're going to need in the future. We all drive an automobile, and why not partner with the best?
You guys have been involved with this for quite some time. So how did you end up, partnering with the Braves and being here today?
We had the opportunity several years ago to help the kids build some of the cars who didn't have the means to have a bandsaw and cut them in and assemble them. So we got a bunch of our auto care centers together and we helped the kids build the cars. And then they started having the races.
About how does this day go? How does a Pine Derby work?
Well, what happens in the beginning is they register their cars and get them all weighed in, and then they actually run heat races. And as they progress through the program of racing, they eventually will win tickets to the Braves game tonight in the Napa Suite.
I think it's very generous of NAPA and the Braves to reach out to us and to put this whole thing together and give these boys and girls, which is excellent, an opportunity to come out here to the Braves and do something unique and fun.
We are proud to continue serving our communities through this event and many more as NAPA AutoCare Atlanta helps to build the future of tomorrow into leaders and great citizens of our city with the Boy Scouts of America and the Atlanta Braves.